My name is Sneha Shah. I'm a psychologist and welcome to the Transforming Life series. Today I'm going to talk about two important truths about people. The first truth is that we cannot change anyone. Now that can be a pretty disappointing statement, but the fact of the matter is that the only person that we can have control over in our lives is ourselves. A lot of times we feel only if the person would change a little, would change a certain behavior or change a certain attitude or a reaction, things would be so much better. But the fact is that people tend to change only when they decide to change, and often we are not able to control that. So accepting that the only person we have control over is ourselves is quite liberating. So the second truth that I would like to talk about is that we are all a product of our life experiences. And because of these experiences, we have a certain way of looking at the world. And often we believe that that's the only way of looking at it. So when we realize that each one of us comes from different experiences and we have a different way of looking at the world, we tend to be more peaceful and we don't ask the question, why are you behaving like that? We are able to accept people for who they are because they are different. So the first truth is that we cannot change people, and the second truth is we are all a product of our life experiences, and these experiences may be different. If you remember these two important truths about people, your interactions with them will change in a very big way. Not only will you be peaceful, but you would possibly be more tolerant and more compassionately loving in your relationships as well. Hope this has helped you. Do leave your comments in the comment box, and I love to hear what you have to say. Thank you.